Catmints, or Nepetas as they're known botanically, are really tremendous perennials. No fuss, easy to grow perennials with aromatic foliage. They flower and grow very well in well-drained, sunny, gravelly sites. Drought tolerant, not bothered by deer or rabbits, here's the perfect perennial for a low maintenance garden that gives you nice soft green foliage and these really gorgeous bright blue flowers that start to flower early in the season. And this particular variety, which is called Nepeta Early Bird, is the first one to flower. Flowers several weeks ahead of the other varieties, so it gets you off to a nice early start, and what's more, it will keep going through the rest of the season to give 6 or maybe even 7 months of flower through the entire growing season. This is Nepeta Early Bird, a really nice early flowering form of catmint.
Garden splendor, the plants worth remembering.